Hi families, I wanted to do a quick tutorial video with you on how to help your students log in on Pearson. I've had a lot of questions about how that works and I thought the kids would probably remember how to do it, but if you don't use it, you lose it, and I think they have forgotten. I'm also not sure that it's linking correctly through my choice boards on Seesaw in the way that I had hoped, so I think we've maybe hit a little hiccup. So I'm going to give you a quick refresher on how to log into Pearson. First, you need to go to my webpage. If you just type in Pearson Realize or Pearson or log in into your web browser, it will not take you to the right place. And the kids will think that it's close. It might even look close, but it probably won't work. So we have to make sure that we go through this portal. Once you're on my web page, you're going to click on the link Pearson Realize. There is not an app for this. So if your students are working from their iPad, they're clicking on the home button they've made that goes to my website. So if they're trying to find an app, like a specific button on their iPad, there shouldn't be one. Now, once you've gone to the correct link, so started here, you'll go to this page. Now you have to make sure it says Springfield Public School District 186 INT before you enter your lunch pin. So I made a video and used my daughter's, and I realized now everybody can log in as her, duh. So I decided to back up and do this in photos. So you'll type in, your student will type in their lunch pin, just the number for their username, and every student's password is the same, P12345. Once they click sign in, they'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. Now, the student that I'm using as an example, some of theirs is in Spanish, so it might look a little bit different, but the idea is correct. Once they're to this screen, they click on Pearson Realize. They may have more choices here, but make sure you choose Pearson Realize. Next, your child's page will look like this. Everybody has a green button, a red button, and a blue button. All of the work that I assign is found in the red button. When you click on classes, your student's page will look something like this. So they'll have work that is not started, in progress, or finished. And so they're going to click on the not started because that's where they're going to find the things they haven't done yet. If they had incomplete assignments from before we went on this extended break, I've actually hidden them. So if they panic that they should have so many more things there, they didn't do anything wrong. I've just moved them. I did not delete them. I just made it so it was a little easier to find. I will date every activity or assignment that I give so you know exactly which one. The end date will be the last day that can be completed without being marked late. I'm not making things late for grades or anything like that, but this will just kind of help you have an idea of the time frame where they should do the work. So this student needs to watch the area model of multiplication video. So they'll click on this little eye and it should open a video and play it. When they have started something, so maybe they start the video and they don't have time to finish, when they log back in, it'll come up in their in progress tab, and then they can start where they left off. That would be true if I assign Practice Buddy or Quick Check or anything like that too. And your students should be familiar with those assignments. And then finally, the completed tab or the finished work tab will have things that they've done that are finished. It'll also have a percentage grade at the end. Everything that's graded on here is done automatically. It's not something that I have to touch and read to grade, although I will review what they've done. The downside about using Pearson like this is I can't see any of the work that they do, where in Seesaw, I can actually follow what they were thinking. And on here, it is just an outcome. So I probably won't use it as much as if we were in class because I can't observe them while they're doing it. I hope this video helps. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thanks.